Thank you. Flannels that don't suck.
Hey, welcome to Cave Creek Bike Week in Arizona.
Awesome. Nerdy. Between 20. Arizona.
Drink that Daniels.
The Hideaway.
Jordan! Now she is a 22-year-old who lives for adrenaline.
Don't let Karen know that.
Where's the trampoline at?
Stay here. I was trampoline.
Who's on it?
She has good vibes and a little bit of chaos. Whether she's tearing it up on Harleys or whipping it through dirt trails or skimming across the water on a jet ski, she's always chasing her next thrill.
Those ones are
100 degrees and very sunny.
We're trying to kill our thirst with some liquid death.
I don't know. Where are we looking?
Look at me right real quick.
That is pretty cool. That is a classic.
just not being up here, a pretty girl in a swimsuit, although that does help. It means being a hard worker, bringing community together, and having a good time.
They don't have the Yingling, right?
No, they don't do Yinglings out here. Sorry.
I don't think they have them, right?
No, that's a Pennsylvania thing, not an Arizona thing.
I like it in the mountains tonight.
You want a sample?
Yeah, that would,
Yeah?
I guess I would like
We
to
also have some
Yeah,
sunglasses.
he's not driving.
Do you want a pair of sunglasses?
Oh yeah, I would love that pair of
Perfect.
I'll take some sunglasses.
Yes.
It's so funny how things ain't right. Daddy's hanging out the secret.
Thanks, ladies.
A platform for an entire year to do photo shoots, kind of hang and have a person that represents our community. So one of these lucky women is going to win that. So
Welcome to Bike Week. Are we both saying it? Ready? Go? Okay.
Electric unicycle action, and we will be over in the flat track at 6 p.m. So don't miss us there.
Is he both high now? I had that, yeah. What kind of python?
Burmese.
Got a partner again. Yeah. We love that.
welcome to the Hideaway Grill. And,
Okay.
And drink Jack Daniels.
Okay, yeah. Welcome to WestWorld for Arizona Bike Week.
Awesome. What's your name?
Ariana.
Ariana. Nice to meet you. I'm Ricky.
I'm here until Saturday, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So are you just promoting for Arizona Bike Week?
Arizona Bike Week, all the vendors, the events, kind of everything, yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Are you guys going to have like a bikini contest or something like that?
I was hoping, but I don't think it's going to happen.
Couldn't do the things of life. Been saying like I'm supposed to.
It's an OJ White Bronco.
So I would use my platform to celebrate the hard-working women behind Cave Creek. Yeah! I know bartenders I've worked with that are mothers. I know the wives of all these builders that are their backbone. They make t-shirts, they do content. They literally are what drive Cave Creek behind the scenes. And I want to give them a little bit more glory because girl power.